Good morning, early birds. As you can see, I was really struggling this morning, so I thought that I would show you guys how to make my powerful protein-packed porridge. So, starting off with 250 milliliters of non-dairy milk, 50 grams of porridge oats, a small handful of berries of your choice, I went for raspberries, a large handful of blueberries, a pinch of salt, a few dashes of cinnamon, and 1 banana. Go ahead and add your blueberries to a saucepan and turn the hob on to a medium heat. This is going to encourage the blueberries to burst and release their juices. While they're heating for 2 to 3 minutes, chop up your banana. If you're anything like me, you're a zombie in the morning, and this porridge really helps to perk me up and get my brain working. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which is really good for general heart health. Now that all of the berries have burst, I went ahead and mashed the banana into the saucepan. Then add in the milk and oats and simmer on a low-medium heat for 10 minutes. Bananas are very high in potassium and vitamin B6, things that basically equal a really good, healthy breakfast that also taste amazing. To finish it off, I like to stir in a pinch of salt to increase the sweetness in the dish and top it off with some fresh berries. Another really yummy option is strawberries, or you could even add some walnuts in there. I always have to start my day off with a cup of coffee and a glass of orange juice because otherwise I physically cannot function. So there you have it, the perfect breakfast for a go-get-'em kind of day. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on Wednesday.